So I have this massive Skywalker X8 wing. It's a very nice wing and really big, has a big payload capacity of 3 kilogram takeoff weight. But the only thing is, it has a lot of empty space right here. And so I was thinking, what can we do with it? So I decided to make a bomb hatch for it. The next step was to build a prototype out of Lego. We used a worm wheel, a normal servo and a pot meter from another servo, and we attached the pot meter to the outside, so now this is a servo controlled door. And we can control the angle of the door very precisely. The step was to do some 3D designing, so we designed the doors and also the worm wheels, and now we can put it all together. Here it is all together. We have some nice gears and a better pot meter, and with this knob I can drop the can. So first we are going to cut here. And here it is all together.